Hello everybody, it's David Braide and I'm going to be showing you how to create a logo animation using this mobile app Inshot video editor. So just simply go in and select the video option, and start with a new job altogether, a new video, not a draft. These are drafts. Alright, so we have gone to pixabay.com to get this beautiful video background. It's called an abstract video background. It's just some lights swirling and green lights, stuff like that. So we're going to click on the check sign and import it into our job. Now we don't want all of this, so come to canvas and say no frames. So it's exactly the size we downloaded it as. Alright, great. Now a logo animation shouldn't be too long. This is 29 seconds. Whoa, can't do that. So we're gonna trim this. Come to the trim tool, or another way to trim is to tap on the clip itself and click on trim, and then drag this place, drag it all the way down, so probably 5 seconds. Anything from 5 to 15 seconds is appropriate for logo animation. So we're gonna make this 5 seconds, and voila. Then I'm going to add, now there is no specific method for logo animation. It's just your creativity. Your creativity is actually the most important tool. So just create a design concept. What you need to know is your basic and loop animations for your keyframing. Once you can keyframe any design concept you want, if you want it to go up and come down, or go left and go right, you can do all of that in keyframing by using the animations loop or basic, like we said. So that's what you need to know. The style and technique and design is totally up to you. Alright, that being said, I click on blank. Now I have a blank job, a blank surface or work area, and I have this video here. I want them to be maybe almost equal, or well, 8 seconds is fine. So this is 3 seconds and this is 5 seconds. Alright, cool. Now the next thing is to add my logos. So how do I add my logos? We said now it's a sticker. So click on sticker, then click on this gallery or photo icon. And if you don't have it here already from what you've been doing before, like I already have it here because we've worked with it before. If you don't have it, you just tap on this plus sign and this opens your gallery. Then you scroll and get it from wherever you saved it. And of course you can drag it by this end and expand it if you want. You can rotate it, just pretty much anything you want. So I think this size is okay, and that's that. Now I'm going to go into the heart of the animation by clicking on this pen icon, or by clicking on this pen icon. Does pretty much the same thing, and I want it to go sideways. I want this one to go sideways. Alright, so I've done that. Of course it could also come from right to left, it could come from up to down. So this is where you cook the animation. This is your kitchen, right? You could do anything you want to do here. So I'll okay this. Then I'm going to duplicate, not copy. I'm going to copy, not duplicate. I want to show you the difference. Delete this. If you highlight any clip and press duplicate, it will be reproduced horizontally on the timeline. This is your timeline. This is your clip, and the whole of this is timeline. So if you duplicate, it will form another of this clip across the timeline. I don't want that, so I'll delete that. What I want to do is copy. So you just build it up right above. So copy vertical, duplicate horizontal, copy vertical, duplicate horizontal. Alright, get that. So all of this gone. Now I can animate this copy differently. Come over here to the pen sign and make this one come this way. And the timing, of course, the timing is okay, so I don't want to touch it. I've tampered with it, so I need to make the other one the same too. Make them the same. Now what's going to happen? The both of them are going to travel across the screen and meet each other. Let's see that. Voila. Now my video clip is longer see my video clip, it's longer than my sticker clip. So once the video exceeds this point, the stickers will disappear. I don't want that to happen. I want the stickers to show even at the end of the clip, so that every person viewing can see it permanently on the screen. So how do I do that? Simple. Highlight it and stretch it all the way up. Just drag it, just put your finger on it and the screen will automatically move. Do the same here. Just hold it this way and keep dragging, it will move. Make sure it gets to the very end. Alright, that's the end, and we are okay. Now I don't want this background black because it's not so cool. So what am I gonna do? I'll just go over to where the background is, scroll on this place, go to backgrounds, look at it here, tap on background and make it white. Of course you can make it any color, but I think white goes better. So okay it and okay it, all of that is not a problem. So now let's see what happens. I think this is too long, so I can still trim it. You see, even on the job you can still change it. I want this to just show for a brief moment, maybe 3 seconds, and then I want this to show for speed of this, maybe okay 3 seconds too. Fine, let's go. Now you can see the transition from here to here is not so smooth because Inshot doesn't have transitions between video clips. So if you have an app that can set transitions so that this just blends into here beautifully, you can use that editor too, but Inshot doesn't have it. Well, the only thing we can do now is to add some music to spice it up. So go to music, and then if you want your own music, you just click on track and go to my music. This will access your gallery. If you want to use music that comes with the app, you could tap on featured. You could use this one. Just click on use. I want to cut out the beginning because the beginning is a bit silent on this particular music. So I'll just come over here, or you could even ignore it. You could, because if the video is so short, you may not be able to fade out the music. But watch the first video on this to understand better. Alright, watch the first video. So I'll split this, come over here and delete that one. Long press on this, long press, that means put your hand on it and leave it there, then drag it. That's long pressing. You put your hand on it, leave it there. So let's see. See that? That's cool. So we can fade out the music. It doesn't fade out very well when the clip of the video itself is too short, so we won't do that here. Like I said, watch the first video to understand how we fade out effectively. So let's play this again and see. Now you could do something way better than this. It's up to your creativity. You could use a different logo. You could cut out this background with remove.bg. It's a website. Remove.bg will help you crop out this white background so that it looks nicer. Thank you very much.